Welcome to WebsiteUpgradeTester.com, the new cloud-based tool that helps you test any upgrade, service pack, or security patch to your website. In this short video, I'm going to walk you through authorizing your site's URLs, configuring how many simultaneous requests should be allowed, and configuring your firewall settings and security access. When you create a site in Website Upgrade Tester, you provide either one or two fully qualified URLs to the servers that will be used to test your upgrade, depending on your upgrade environment. You can see here that for our demo site, we are using the recommended separate service configuration and have specified two different URLs, one for the pre-upgrade version of the site and one for the post-upgrade version of the site. These two URLs are registered and have additional properties that are not shown here in the Edit Site dialog. If I close out of this dialog and click the Authorized URLs menu on the Account Information page, you will see these two URLs listed in the table. There are three columns of interest: Verification Status, Max Simultaneous Requests, and Behind Firewall. The first column, Status, indicates whether this URL has been verified or not. If the domain of this URL matches the domain of the email address that you registered with, then it will automatically be verified. If not, then you will need to download a verification file and copy it to the root of your site. You cannot edit either of the other two properties without first verifying the URL. Since these URLs are unverified, let's verify them now. I simply click the lightning bolt icon in the Action column and then click the Download Verification File button. It downloads a file named verification.txt. You will then need to copy this file into the root of the site that this URL points to, making sure you keep the same name for the file. I'll do that now. Okay, it's up there. I can now click the Verify URL button. Great, it verifies. And now you can see that the status has changed to verified. Once it does successfully verify, you can remove the file. It will no longer be needed. However, you must repeat this process for each URL. You cannot reuse the same verification file. The second column shows how many simultaneous requests the tool will make to your site when capturing its content. By default, the tool will only make one request at a time to not put extra load on the server. However, if your site is large and you wish to test a large number of those pages across multiple screen sizes, you will probably need to bump this number up, depending on the capacity of your server. Bumping this up will reduce the total wall clock time it takes to perform your runs. The more load you are able to handle, the faster you will be able to see results. Be careful, though, to not increase the count too high as to overload your servers. The last column, Behind Firewall, indicates whether the tool thinks your site is behind a firewall or publicly available. If your server is behind a firewall and not publicly available, you will need to edit this setting and open up a hole in your firewall so that the Website Upgrade Tester tool can hit your server. If your server is publicly available, then there is no need to do anything. Let's say that our server is behind a firewall and I want to bump up the max simultaneous requests. I'll simply click the pencil icon for the URL and it will open up the Edit Authorized URL dialog. Here, I'll change the Behind Firewall selection list from No to Yes, and you will notice two IP addresses are presented. These are the two IP addresses that you need to grant access into your firewall for the Website Upgrade Tester's servers. Next, this server is a decent size, so I'll specify 3 simultaneous requests. Okay, great. I'll click Save to save these settings. That's all you need to know about authorized URLs. However, there is one more topic that I wanted to cover in this video. The Website Upgrade Tester tool takes image screen captures of your pages. If the site you want to test has sensitive content that you don't want others to see, for example your intranet, no problem. You can configure the Website Upgrade Server tool to only allow access to those images through certain IP addresses that you specify. To do this, navigate to the account information page by clicking the information icon in the left menu. Then scroll down to the IP addresses section. Click the Add button, and the Add IP address dialog will be shown. Here you can enter an IP address or click the Add Current button to add your current IP address. You can also add a comment so you can better manage this list. Unfortunately, at this time, you can't add a range. Hopefully soon. Okay, I'll save this one, and you can see that it shows in the list. Now all images for all sites under this account will be restricted. That's it. Thanks for watching this short video. Be sure to check out our other videos on how to improve your upgrade testing using websiteupgradetester.com.